Service agreements is all about covering arrangements between people who work for the business and the business with a legally compliant agreement. There are a number of things that that agreement needs to contain in order to protect the business. In the case of employees, most governments require businesses to have employment contracts that contain certain rights and responsibilities for each employee. So understanding what they are and making sure that you have an employment contract that complies with them is important. But aside from that, anyone who touches the business will have access to a lot of your confidential information, your trade secrets, the way in which you do business, perhaps your price list, perhaps your customer list. And you want to make sure that you protect that information in a well-drafted service agreement which contains confidentiality provisions and other provisions that are designed to protect your business. It might be that you have some key employees within your business, people who the business depends on to a large extent. Perhaps it's the technical director. Perhaps it's a creative person within the business. You might want to make sure that that person isn't able to pick up and leave your business and set up shop next door doing the same thing, taking along with them some of your biggest clients. Now, there are things that you can put in your employment contracts to ensure that that doesn't happen. These are called restrictive covenants, and there are a whole range of them that might be relevant for your business. So actually taking the time to understand them, figure out which ones are relevant, and then create contracts which contain the relevant provisions is essential.